I'm just writing it down, that mod z1 plus z2 is equal to modulus z1 plus mod z2. Okay, then you have to find out the value of argument of z1 minus argument of z2. Okay, so first of all, let's see what is given by this statement. Okay, try to figure out when this thing is possible, unless and until we know that the equation that we have done from the book is, it says this inequality, that the individual mods are always greater than that of their mod of sum. But if they are equal, that means both of them are of the same sign. Alright, that means that z1 and z2 either are both positive or they are both negative. Okay, so this has to be true if both this inequality has to be true. You can solve this example with a very simple point. Let's say if I take z1 is equal to minus 3 and z2 is equal to 5. If you put these in the equation given, the LHS will become what? Let's see, LHS will be equal to 5 minus 3, it will be 2. And if you solve the RHS would be mod of 3, which will give 3, and plus 5, so it will be 8. So it is not equal, but at the same time if I put it minus 5, now let's see what would be the answer. On LHS it will be minus 8, so again it will become 8, and on RHS as well it will be 8. So you can see that both of them have to be on the same side. So let's see, if I draw the number line, if both of them are negative, that is in this case, that is minus 5, 0 and minus 3, 0. If you see properly, both of them will have the same argument. Why? Because they are lying on the same line. They are collinear points. So the collinear points always have the same argument. So in this case, the argument of both of them is pi. So if I subtract them, the answer would be equal to 0. Okay, let's suppose if I take 2 points which are positive, let's say 3 and 5. So this will again be collinear because it will be 3, 0 and it will be 5, 0. If I subtract the argument of these two, it will again be 0 because the argument again here is 0 only. Both have 0 argument because they are making an angle of 0 degree with the x-axis. So it was a very simple question. The answer straightforward is the C option because 0 is given in that option. But most of the students will not be able to do this one. Those who will not be able to do this one will not be able to get a good rank at AIEEE. This has to be done because these kind of questions, make you get good rank. A good student would have done this question anyhow. Okay, and AIEEE is not a big tough exam. You just have to prepare thoroughly. That's it. Okay, you must have seen by the kind of question that we are doing in this package. Okay.